Deutsch 3 Schüler. I'm going to make a video that goes over the notes page as well as the worksheet, the electronic worksheet that we're due for tomorrow. First, the grammar concept is making a verb a noun and then using it with a bei expression or using beim. First, as you have read and as you have seen, to make a verb a noun, you will always use the neutral article das. You will then capitalize the verb to make it a noun. For example, ankommen, to arrive, will become das Ankommen, arriving. Abfahren, to depart or to leave, will become das Abfahren, departing or leaving. Just like in the above examples, you are to complete this little table and practice making the verbs nouns. As you can see, packen, vergessen, fliegen, auspacken, einchecken, all became das Packen, das Vergessen, das Fliegen, das Auspacken, das Einchecken. The only difference was the article of das as well as the capitalization of the newly formed noun. The point of learning how to make a verb a noun, was in order to use it in the expression using beim. When using beim plus a nominalized verb, it means while ing something. For example, while playing becomes beim Spielen, while packing becomes beim Packen, while eating becomes beim Essen, and while arriving becomes beim Ankommen. By the way, the reason that bei is beim is because that the bei form plus the dative form of das is dem, and they combine it to make it beim. Here are some example sentences using these beim expressions. Beim Einchecken habe ich meinen Reisepass vergessen. Beim Sitzen habe ich mein Handgepäck unter meinen Sitzplatz gestellt. And number 3, beim Auspacken habe ich auf der Couch gesessen. Please notice that the word order of these sentences is as such. The while unpacking, while sitting, and while checking in being the first part of the sentence. The second part of the German sentence is the helping verb for past tense, habe in this case, with the past participle being at the end of each sentence. We are going to move on to the example sentences from your worksheet. For the first part, you were given 4 German sentences that you were asked to translate into English. Now, some of you did say, while checking in, I showed my passport. But some of you said, I showed my passport while checking in. I accepted either answer because both would be an appropriate translation. As you can see, as in the other examples from the note sheet, the beim Einchecken, beim Fliegen, beim Abfliegen, and beim Packen are the first part of the sentence. The very next verb in German, however, or the very next part of the German sentence, however, is the verb. Habe, hat, habe, haben. The correct conjugation of the helping verb for past tense. The past participle gesehen, verstaucht, and geschlafen and gezeigt are at the very end of each sentence. Now you can read for yourself or pause this video to read the English translations of these sentences. You can also see that the English verb is the third part of the sentence. It is different in German. As we move forward to translating these 4 sentences from English to German, you again see that the while phrases are the first parts. Beim Ankommen, beim Einchecken, beim Fliegen, and beim Sitzen. Unlike the English sentences, where the past tense verb is the third part of the sentence coming directly after the subject, the German translation has the helping verb, hat, habe, haben, as the second part of the sentence, with the past participle coming at the very end. Now, just like I said earlier, I am not going to read these entire sentences for you. I will let you pause the video as you see fit and hope that you can visually see how these sentences are structured and make corrections to your work as needed. Let me know if you have any questions. Vielen Dank. Auf Wiedersehen.